What's going on, my mighty fine people, on this Monday? Everybody back to work on a grind, 9 to 5, 8 to 4, whatever you got going on here. We got the cakey, the kids are out today for their fall break, so it's pretty quiet around here. This is gonna be another plain Janer, no intro, no outro. It's gonna be it is what it is. Shout out to everyone stopping through for the Who Has the Heat this past week. Up this week we have Earth One Motors and Forgiving Souls. Same time. Shout out to the fam for the panel. We was all dope and lit. Fam, PMKICKZ, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF. Also, I always gotta mention my sisters, Pam M and Princess Fang. Go check them out along with the sponsors, SNOOCHS Customs. Find them on IG and on YouTube, as well as Money Run Clothing. Find him on IG and YouTube as well. And be on the lookout for that merch that's coming pretty soon. Pretty soon. You feel me? Hopefully I have the shirt and get it out so y'all can see. Enough of that talking. Let's get straight into this video. You feel me? And always, you know, hashtag brick by brick. I was gonna wait on this shoe, but you know what? They was kind of moving. And shout out to the bae, shout out to my daughter. They hooked me up with this shoe. So that's the secret, everyone. Get the family in on your fix and you get hooked up. All right, secrets. Now, Jordan box, you see, OG box. And you can see here, Fisher colorway, white, black, gem red, size 10.5. You got your RF QR code, suggested retail price, 150 of them things. As you can see, you got your K code, all of that stuff. And it's stuck. You got your stamp in there for the receipt police. They grabbed these joints for me from Champs for $139. I like it a lot. So as you can see, you always know how I do. I like to do the left side, paper all stuck, and a lot of people don't like nines, but got some technical difficulties here. Looking kind of ugly, but hey, y'all get my drift. Let's put it on here. Put it on here. Get a look. Get a look. Get a look. Red is my favorite color. Make note of that. Maybe a wild card trivia question. So, a little bit about this shoe. 1993 Tinker Hatfield shoe. You know, Jordan became a global icon on this shoe. This shoe is basically based off a baseball cleat. So that's why you got that narrow toe box on that. And he went and played for my hometown team, the Birmingham Barons, was number 45. And you know, it was a failed attempt. So we all know who the best two-sport athlete was, in my opinion, which is Bo Vincent Jackson. You feel me? Enough of that ranting and that little history lesson. Let's get into this review. On the bottom of this, you got all this world stuff, right? Jordan did become a global icon. You got your black Jumpman, white under the bottom. They calling these the Air Jordan 9 Chicago. Take it for what it's worth. You already know once you wear these on the white, unless you clean them, it's a wrap. You got the red patent leather, the toe box. The leather a little stiff, not the greatest, but it will do. You got your speed lace system coming up here, and then you got your black eyelets. You got your Air Jordan up here on the tongue. Well, it's like nylon on the tongue. And as you can see, coming around on the side, more of the red, and you can see the design here, which is similar to that of a baseball glove. That's why you have the patterns right there. You have your black Jumpman right here. Coming around on the bottom, I mean not on the bottom, but on the back, you got your 23 stitch, loving that glossy red. And you got the world icon, like I said, global. He was all over the place. Makes it a little bit easy for you to put this shoe on. Come around on the media side, the same thing. I mean, pretty good. I don't see minimum glue stain. But like I said, because of the narrow toe box, a lot of people don't like this shoe because your pinky will be screaming like Mike and Janet. So you kind of definitely got to try this shoe on before you buy it online, because it may vary, you know, Jordan, depending on where they make the shoe, the fit will vary on the shoe. Inside you got your QR code, as you can see, size 10.5, production date 5/1/19, 6/8/19, so a little over a month. You got your factory laces here. You actually got an inner sock boot on this shoe. Some people hate it, some people love it, and I like this, kind of like got this carpety feel around the heel of the shoe, or the top of the shoe. You got your shoe tree, as you can see, 10.5 to 12. So your shoe tree should look like this. If you don't, that's just one thing you may want to be skeptical of the shoe. You can see you got a black insole with red, and like I said, you got the inner sock boot. Some people don't like this stuff because it can be quite tedious and get on your nerves. So I don't know, I might be by, like I said, I like the color red. So on a lit meter, I would give this shoe about a 4.8 out of 5. 4.8 out of 5. I got to go back and grab the UNC joint. Can't have one without the other, and do all of that good thing. Let me know what you think. You think a lace swap would set it off better? Go with black laces or red laces. You feel me? So like I said, we're on the road to 4K. You already know it's hashtag brick by brick. It's Emoneyshoes. Thank you for watching my video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.